Do you think that the Earth is too small for the solar system? But this may be the fate of the planet, because if the Earth becomes bigger or smaller, humans may not be born. So if the Earth at this time suddenly becomes the size of a Jupiter, is it a good thing or a bad thing for humans? What amazing changes will happen to the Earth itself? Will it still get along with the planets around it? You should know that Jupiter, the sin of the solar system, is more than 140,000 kilometers in size, and our Earth's diameter is only 12,000 kilometers. In this way, Jupiter's diameter is almost 11 times that of the Earth, and Jupiter's volume can hold more than 1,300 Earths. So if the Earth at this time suddenly becomes the size of Jupiter, under the premise that all climate and gravity conditions have not changed, humans at this time will definitely become extremely happy. We know that the surface area of the Earth is about 5.2 billion square kilometers, and the surface area of Jupiter is 6.14 billion square kilometers. In this way, the surface area of the Earth will suddenly increase to the original 12.1 times. Under such a large Earth background, compared with the original 8 billion population of the Earth, it can really be called the fifth wave of God. At this time, the area of our country will reach 11.7 billion square kilometers, which is more than twice the original surface area of the Earth. Even if the Earth is at least 0.44 square kilometers high, the area of a euro this country has increased to 53 square kilometers. At this time, humans may no longer have to struggle for those tens of square meters. Every country will no longer have disputes over territory. Because of such a large Earth, even if 8 billion people divide it, this is equivalent to a medium-sized city, where one person can lie flat. Let's take a look at the length of the equator of the Earth at this time. It will be difficult to go from the original 40,000 kilometers to 450,000 kilometers to 10 doors. For example, from the southern side of the equator of the Earth to the other side of the Earth, this distance will be enough to have 220,000 kilometers. Even if you take a civil aircraft that travels 1,000 kilometers per hour, it will take about 10 days. However, all this is based on assumptions. In fact, if the Earth really becomes so big, humans will hardly be able to survive. Because if so, the gravity of the Earth will be 11 times greater than before. This is too painful for humans. Walking has almost become a disappointment because you, who used to weigh 60 kilograms, will now weigh 670 kilograms. At this time, the bones will burst, and you will have to stay close to the ground and not move it. If humans can survive, they may become creatures that flatten their bodies like centipedes. But this is not the most terrible thing. At this time, the atmosphere of the Earth itself will be completely absorbed by gravity, and it will be exposed to solar and cosmic radiation. Its vast body area will disrupt the orbit of other planets around it, and they will collide. And the massive celestial bodies of the small stars will also come straight to the Earth. The myth is that humans have not yet discovered such a large constellation. The current record holder is a planet called T849b. Its volume is 40 times the size of the Earth, and it is also the largest constellation discovered by humans so far. However, it is a dead star that has been separated from the atmosphere. It can be seen how lucky humans are at this time to be able to live on such a beautiful Earth.